Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain FAX.PLUS mobile app review to see what you're using. So to get started with the breakdown and the downside about this mobile platform. The FAX.PLUS mobile app is a digital faxing solution that allows users to send and receive fax directly from their smartphone, tablet, or computers. It supports PDF upload, cloud storage integration with Google Drive and Dropbox, digital signatures, and scheduled faxing. The app is easy to set up, works well across device, and offer a secure HIPAA compliance transcription, making it suitable for professional, business, and even the healthcare users. It also includes a free plan with a limited pages and several paid plan for higher usage, making it flexible for different user needs. However, some user report minor issues such as billing confusion, delayed support response, or limitation on free plan usage. While this issue exists, most users find the app reliable, especially for occasional or mobile faxing overall. FAX.PLUS is worth it if you are looking for a modern, mobile-friendly way to fax without a machine. It's especially useful for small business, remote workers, or anyone needing a fast and simple fax tools on the go. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this FAX.PLUS mobile app. And that's it.